Stock investing for beginners. Today I'm going to talk about 5 stocks that are going to report earnings next week, and we're going to look at 5 stocks and see which one is the best, and also what happened last week, and also next week we have some interesting economic news. So last week I made August 26 to 30, I made over 2,000, so it's 1 week. August 26 to 30. Let's look at August 1st. August 1st to August 31st. We have Saturday, Sunday. So basically, if you exclude Saturday, Sunday, so trading days gonna be only about 22 days. So I made over 20,000. So short-term gain 15,000, long-term gain 5,000. So why did I get long-term gain? Usually I only want to receive short-term gain, realized gain from option trading. For long-term gain, it's because I sold some of the stocks that has been I've been holding for at least 1 year and longer. And if you remember, we had stock market correction at the beginning of August. So I used the proceeds from my long-term stock sales and put it into the stocks that got discounted really heavily. You know, the stock market corrected. There were some stocks that I really liked, so I bought them. And plus, I traded some of the call options temporarily. And I bought it back. After I sold the stock, I bought it back again. So nothing changes. And the reason why I sold this stock, I sold Microsoft, is because the Microsoft did not move so much in a short time. So yeah, I have time to get it back. So I got it back. That's how you trade. When stock market corrects or crashes, that's a good opportunity. I usually look at my long-term stock, are they good to sell now that I sold it, and I want to use that money for stocks that got discounted during the sales. And let's look at S&P 500. One day 1.01%, the past 5 days 0.15%. It did not move. Year to date is up 19.09%, and 5 years 89.63%. So we're gonna remember this one. So when analyzing stocks, we're gonna compare S&P 500 versus the stock that we like. If that stock doesn't beat S&P 500, I'm not interested. Okay. So year to date 19.09, Nasdaq 1.13 on Friday. 5 days did not move so much. Year to date, yeah, it's better than real estate. If you invest in real estate, if you get 7% to 10% a year, you are making very, very well. You are doing very well in real estate. No, in stock market, I don't need to wait 1 year to get 10%. Yeah, look at that. Year to date 19.96. So even if you don't know anything, you could just buy S&P 500 and ride. You know. Look at that. Oh, it's not much different. 19.09. Nasdaq 19.96. Oh, not much different. 5 years, yeah, it's better than S&P 500. 5 years. So we're just gonna look at 5 years for S&P 500. And Dow Jones didn't change much. 5 days 0.8%. Year to date 10.2%. And 5 years, no, not so attractive. So I usually buy stocks in Nasdaq or S&P 500, not so much in Dow Jones. So let's look at, if you want to get started, how do you get started? You can open an account. You know, let's say you start with a trading practice account, stock practice account in Japan. If you are living in Japan, you're gonna see so many accounts. Then you can even open a real account. Do not open real account after you make money consistently with stock practice account in Japan. You know, demo account. Do that. And let's look at last week. Last week, economic news house prices went up 6.5%, and jobless claims went up. So that's why we had a little bit of dip on Wednesday, a little bit on Thursday, because of these jobless claims and home price index. Possibly somebody said something. It really didn't matter. Friday it went up because of core PCE year over year. It's better than expected. They are expecting the PCE to jump 2.7%, came in at 2.6%. The other PCE are in line. Yeah, so I think we have really good news. Last week, yes, Nvidia dropped. Yeah, I used advanced option. I sold put options, and I used some of the call options to profit from it. I already have full position in Nvidia, so I'm not going to add more. And why do I like Nvidia? Nvidia is beat S&P 500, and plus it has been in business for at least 10 years, since 1993, and it has been a public company for at least 5 years. Yes, and I like the business, I like the management, I like the financial statement, balance sheet. So number one criteria, S&P 500. Yes, it beat S&P 500. Second, it has been in the business for at least 10 years. Third, it has been a public company for at least 5 years. Fourth, do I like this business? Yes. 5, financial statements, balance sheet, and bonus would be management. Jason Wang, he is a Taiwanese American. He is really great at semiconductor. At the beginning, they wanted to transform the way video games works. So they designed GPU chips. Before Nvidia, video games were really simple. It's only 2D. After that, 3D, became popular because of Nvidia GPU chip. Then after that, cryptocurrency mining, they used a lot of Nvidia chips, GPU. And then now AI. Elon Musk bought the first supercomputer, AI computer from Nvidia. He's always at the beginning, he's always the first. Now Nvidia is gonna be getting into robotics and healthcare management, AI. So yeah, I like the management, I like him. So if you want to buy a company, you should also look at the management, the founder. It's really important. He used to be dishwasher. Yeah, of course he disappeared for about 10 years. Then after that he became a founder. It's a big jump. If you look at it, it's a big jump. But really doesn't matter. See? So what's really important is that we have to really look at the company this way. Look at the company this way. Yeah. CrowdStrike, Holdings, basically CrowdStrike, they perform better than expected. Perform better than expected. It jumped 2.21%. Would I buy CrowdStrike? Not necessarily. It's overvalued right now. There is it's hot for AI. It jumped 3.16%. But would I buy this company? No, because Nvidia is a better business in my opinion. And Marvel, yes, it's a good business. It beat S&P 500. Marvel, look at that, beat S&P 500. It has been in business for at least 10 years. Yeah, if you look at the founder date 1995, it has been a public company for at least 5 years. Yes. Then do I like this business? Yes, but and not as much as Nvidia. So I'm not going to buy this business. See, and yeah, let's look at this coming week. Gonna be reported PMI. Yeah, if PMI is better, that would be really good. And job openings. Yep, if job openings is more than expected, stock market could go up. ADP jobless claims, if it's worse than expected, the stock market could turn a little bit, but it's not going to impact so much more than I would expect. You see, and because interest rate cut is coming, it's much more important than all these news. Yeah, so I don't really care. And let's look at the Zscaler. Reported earnings year to date is down 5.83%. 5 year it beat S&P 500. Yes, Would I buy this business? It meets all my criteria, but I wouldn't buy this business because I have better company, better cybersecurity company. So no, I'm not going to buy this business. Next one, HP, year to date up 14.41%. Gonna report earnings this week. 5 years, it doesn't beat S&P 500, so no need to look at it. Next one, year to date, this body growth up 62.3%. 5 years, 567.87% the past 5 years. Yep, really good. I like this business. It has been in business for at least 10 years. So 2 criteria, good. The third criteria, it has been a public company for at least 5 years. Yes. So do I like the business? Retail business. If I want to buy retail business, yes, this stock will be one of the stocks that I will buy. But I do not like to invest in retail business. So no, I'm not gonna buy that. Financial statement is good, balance sheet is good. Yeah, from what I look at. Next one, DollarTree is year to date down 40.73%. 5 years down 22.92%. Nope, no need to look at. I'm not gonna buy. Next one, Broadcom, year to date up 50.01%. Good. 5 years 457.79% up. Good, pretty good. Yeah, but it's overvalued. Broadcom is the second AI stock that I like after Nvidia. So I'm waiting for it to get another value. So I would say if I would be interested, it would be like 120. Now, not so much interested right now. Yeah, and I'm waiting. So if it gets to around 120 or 100, yeah, I will be buying a lot. If you want to learn more, you can go to my playlist, advanced option trading. If you want to know how to trade, if you want to know my favorite stock, you can look at my favorite stocks and option trading and how to videos as well. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.